So hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video I am going to share my to-do list task which I have completed today. So first task was running and pull workout. So again took rest. Neither did running nor does pull workout. Like my leg, as I have told you. So because of shin pain and knee pain and there are many more pains in my heel and in my fingers of leg. All the things were doing means too much painful. So I skipped the day of workout. Second task was to lecture of NDA. So I took like one lecture of maths and there were no lecture to take on 24th on yesterday. The defense wala team I think went to Dehradun. So because of that today there was no class. So I took only one lecture of maths and in the case of second lecture so I did a revision of English. So I have completed chapter 1, 8 universal rule. I can do 70 to 80% questions and now I have solved approx 100 plus question. So my confidence is not much good, but I can solve 50 to 90% question. Then talking about my fourth task, it was 50 question of maths, so I did like 25 to 30 because it was trigo and I have completed my trigonometry all PYQ, RD Sharma and all the books like from PDF and from batch Shakti and all there. I have done all the question, all type of question, but there is a need of revision. So from tomorrow onwards I will revise all chapters including PNC, binomial theorem, complex number and all the chapters. Then book reading, so I did read book The Ignited Mind, in which I read approx 15 to 20 pages. Next was one chapter short notes, so I have written of geography, which was geomorphic process, but half of the notes are left. It was a too big chapter to write it in one time. So on tomorrow I will write it. Then English schedule, so yeah, today I have completed my English schedule also and now recording the video. So finally I have completed my to-do list after many days. I am going to get a tick mark on my another to-do list. I have made two to-do list in which first have decent task taking lectures, running, workout and this, and the second is to-do list in which that I have told you today it was 10 tasks. So in my average to-do list which have only running, workout and lectures, so there I always got a tick mark in my to-do list tracker. But in this it was since 7 to 8 days when I got a tick, but now today I will get. So that is all about my video. Sorry for I am not be able to explain myself or my task in English, but I am improving. I get hesitation and speaking and stammered. I also stammer. So I will improve all these things and do hard work. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Jai Hind.